Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with double step entry, stabilizer jacks, LED exterior lighting, outside shower, flip down travel rack, single slide, outside speakers, full walk-on roof, outside kitchen refrigerator, solar power prep, outside storage, spare tire and carrier, mini blinds, stainless sink, flush mount gas range cover, pleated shades, queen size bed, high-rise faucet, fire extinguisher, set of bunks, USB charging station, over-the-range microwave, carbon monoxide detector, upper bunk windows, overhead storage, detachable power cord, sink covers, double door refrigerator, LP leak detector. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.